an annual supporter file here for you guys. And I have some extras that I've done to mine, but I'm going to give you some options of things that you can do. Um, I cut this from some Cricut craft board that I had on hand. You can use anything that you have. And I cut this, of course, with the pretty side to the mat so that I could do the writing on the inside. And you're simply going to fold on all of these scores. We're going to make a cute little easel card here that looks like a gingerbread house. And we're folding on all of these scores the same way, just like so. And this was Pinterest inspired. I found it on Pinterest and I decided why not try to make that. And I'm just giving it a good press. I want good crisp lines. Okay, and then you have a second piece. This piece, I am going to put my pretty side so it doesn't show because I'm going to be putting some pattern cardstock on the outside of this piece. So you're just going to fold this piece like so. And it is going to go on the card. You can fold your card up. This piece folds in, and then this piece right here folds down. You have a score back here and a score here, and those two scores should meet. So you basically have something that looks like this, okay? And then you know you have it folded correctly, okay? Just like that. Fold that base piece up and bring this piece down, okay? Now I'm going to glue this on, but the way I'm going to glue this on is I am going to put my glue on the card itself. That's why folding it is important. So I am putting, do not go past your score line. Okay. And then on the other side as well. And don't go past that score line either. It's going to help guide you. All right. Once you have that on, then you're going to bring this in and we're going to place it in there. Just like so. And I'm doing mine this way so that when it's open, that the gold from that shows. So if you're using a pattern piece, just make sure that you're getting that even on both sides. Right down the middle, and then fold that top over. Right. Give that a good rub. Just like so. A little bit too much glue in there. All right. So now it's going to look something like this. All right. Super easy card. Super, super easy. I have, and they seem to be dry. I put some little Nuvo drops in colors on this piece. You can use whatever glitter drops you have. This is the front of the house. So we're just going to put a little glue on there. And we're going to glue it right here to the front. And this is also the front of the card. Okay. So that's going to go just like so. And I had a little boo-boo here. I tried to get it loose with my true control knife and cut into my cardstock, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it fine. All right, I use some little 6x6 papers to cut all of my pattern pieces with. You can use pattern fill, whatever it is that you want to use. And I'm using the red that has all of the holiday writing on it, and I'm putting that one right here on this inside panel. Okay. And you can see the gold dots. That's why I did it that way, just to give it a little sparkle inside. And then we're going to put this piece right here. Right? And you still have room to write your name or whatever you want there. And you can also write on top of the pattern pieces. This piece is going to go here, and I did this one in the green, so it would kind of look like grass. You'll see what I mean here in just a minute. Super easy. Now the inside is finished, and then I am going to fold this up, and I have a piece here. If you want, you can put that. I have to open that up anyway. Oops, almost stuck on me. Little glue. You're going to put that on the back side if you want. It is not necessary. You can skip this piece if you want. But I thought, why not? Thought it would be really cute and match the front. And put that right there. And nothing goes here. All right. And I still haven't decided on this piece. I may use that and I may not. That is going to be what keeps your card from falling over. And I think I do like the big dots because they're going to match the roof pieces. So we're going to put those roof pieces on there. You can absolutely put them straight. Probably should have put that on before I put the roof on, but I didn't. Yeah, hold it this way. Then we've got one back here. See if my dots are lining up, and they look like they do. Place this one right on the top here. Great. So now we have our little roof pieces, and you can decorate this up any way that you want. You can change out any of the elements. You can change this piece for something that says Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you want here. But because I had all the writing, I just went with a piece of patterned paper. And I couldn't decide. I had all my papers laying out here. And these are for the windows. Now the door has a hole in it. If you don't want to if you don't have a brad, don't worry about it. You can put some glitter drops or something like that over it. Just gonna open that up on the little door there. So I have a little brad on there. And then I did this out of pattern paper, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it that way. Oh, that's cute. It does look like curtains. So I am going to use my little stripes in the windows. Just going to go get a little bit of glue on there and glue down that little insert piece. Get it straight. Yeah. So now I have the little door, and you can put the door where you want. I've got it set for the door to go here and the window up here. Same thing on the window, just going to. And I did put some mocha colored ink from Close to My Heart on these door and window pieces here, just to darken them up a little bit. Totally not necessary if you don't want to do that. You don't have to. I'm going to place that right above the Holiday Gingerbread Bakery. And I'm closing my card so that it doesn't go up under the roof line there. Cute. And then the same thing with the door. We're just going to glue that down. Here. And then I have a little gingerbread guy, and I decorated him with some Nuvo drops as well in the red, green, and white. And I think I'm going to pop dot that up as well. Let's see. I want to use this thicker strip that I have here for this piece here, but not for him. I think this piece is going to be long enough. It should be. Just going to put that strip on there. I get this from Stampin' Up. They're called foam adhesive strips. And now I want to stand my easel up like I want it when the card is opened, because you could do it this way or you can have it more angled out. I want mine kind of straight up and down. And that looks good to me right out. Here. Here. That's pretty good. So I'm just going to go right up, right around this line right here. I'm going to pop that strip down right there. And that way when it's standing, oops, got my little top heavy there. There we go. That way it's going to stand and create that little gingerbread house. So cute. So you can see that's the way it stands. And I didn't get my strip straight. All right, and now I want to pop him up. I'm just going to use a couple of foam dots, or squares, I should say. I'm going to place him right there on the front. So now your card is going to fold in, and then this is going to fold down, and it will fit in the envelope. Okay? Super cute and fun. How cute. It's going to be hard to do. You guys can't see it, but it's so cute from the front. Let me hold it so you can see it. So when it's on its easel, it looks like that. How cute is that? And now the envelope. Just going to fold here, here, here. Give that a good fold. And I'm just going to fold this base up, and I'm going to hold my thumb right about where that stops, because I don't want my glue to get to the inside of the envelope. I'm just going to go down this edge and then down this edge, but I don't want to go any higher up there. And just going to eyeball over here, get about the same height, right on this inside edge and this inside edge. And then we're just going to fold that in. How cute. I'm not going to try to force this into that envelope yet because it's not quite dry. But again, you fold in the base, fold it in, and then fold the rest down. And then it's going to slip right into that envelope. Hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Have fun with it. I can't wait to see what papers you choose and what you pick. And post them up in the group. You have a great day. Happy crafting.